Okay, so I have changed clothes. I am heading to my other job and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, so today's game plan, I have to do a lot of cleaning. I'm going to be cleaning my car, cleaning my mom's truck. I'm going to vacuum it out for her for when she gets home this weekend. And I have to go run to the office real quick to go print some flyers and make the flyers. So I'm going to go do that. I brought my laptop with me. We are going to go grab some coffee so I can actually run these errands. And yeah. Okay, so I just about have the most random Walmart haul. I bought 3 peach mango candles. These smell so good. I really wish that you guys could smell them, but they're like $3 at Walmart right now. So I got 3 of those. And then I got some glass cleaner and general cleaner for when I cleaned the vehicles today. That's about all I got. Candles and cleaner, but I really wish you guys could smell this. It's this one. If you guys ever go to Walmart, they're $3 right now. They have a whole bunch of new candles on the shelf. Also, if the label is really pretty, that also draws me in. But yeah. It is so nice having a clean car. I am definitely somebody who should do that more often than I do. Okay, so I am at a cute little house in Ording. This one I am previewing for some clients while they are at work. I'm going to show you guys a little tour of the inside, and I think they're going to like this one. With me to go show some clients in Maple Valley. I'm super excited to show you guys this home. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go take a look. To an open house in Lake Tapps. I am hoping that quite a few people show up to this one. It's not raining for once, and I cannot wait to show you guys this house as well. that there's extra crawl spaces in this house and to try to go down them. Should I go for it? Whoa. Look at this place. How interesting is that? This is what it looks like from down below. That leads up to the living room space.